Assalamu alaikum, dear teachers. Welcome to this Tarbiyah teaching series by Snowman Publishers. ये सिलसिला असातिज़ा की रहनुमाई के लिए तैयार किया गया है ताकि हम निसाब के साथ साथ किरदार साजी भी मुअस्सिर तरीके से कर सकें. In this series, we focus on how to teach values, not just what to teach. You will learn practical classroom-ready strategies to nurture honesty, kindness, responsibility, and emotional strength in young children. Forgiveness weakness नहीं है, ये emotional strength है. Let's read. Ayan was waiting for his turn on the slide. Just then, Hamza pushed him and went first. Ayan felt angry. Hey, that was my turn, he said. Hamza looked down. I'm sorry, Ayan. I was too excited and forgot to wait. Ayan crossed his arms, then smiled. It's okay, Hamza. Just don't do it again. Hamza agreed. Thanks for forgiving me. Let's take turns now. They played happily together the rest of the day. Moral: when we forgive, we play and be happy again. स्टोरी के कॉन्फ्लिक्ट पर रोकें. धक्का लगने पर अयान को कैसा लगा होगा? वैलिडेट फीलिंग्स फर्स्ट. व्हेन हमजा सेज सॉरी, यहाँ कहीं गलती मान लेना बहादुरी है. फॉरगिवनेस दोनों को आज़ाद करती है. असेसमेंट: व्हेन चिल्ड्रन रिज्यूम प्ले टुगेदर, लर्निंग इज़ विजिबल. माफ़ करना हमारे दिल को हल्का कर देता है. Thank you for being a part of this Tarbiyah journey with Snowman Publishers. Allah Hafiz.